As a digital marketer, you cannot underestimate the awesome power that NotebookLM can bring to your daily workflows. Why is it such a powerful tool for digital marketers? To me, it's all about the mega context window that it has. So the amount of information that it can draw from, unlike typical language models limited to a few thousand tokens, NotebookLM uses Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash, enabling a massive context window of up to 2 million tokens, or about 1.5 million words. The great thing about it is that it will draw only from the sources that you provide it with. Once you jump into NotebookLM, which you can sign up for free, you will see this window over here. And then you can just create a new notebook. And on the free version, you get something like 50 sources. But since I'm on the paid version of Gemini, as you can see here, I can upload up to 300 sources. Let me show you how you can immediately start using NotebookLM. For example, if you want to create a new YouTube video and you want to prepare really well, I have conducted deep research here with Claude about the use of a conversational AI. And now I can just copy it and then click on copied text here, paste it, and insert. And that's already the first source that we have available here. Next, I have created the same type of research with Gemini. So now I'm going to copy contents. And now in NotebookLM, I'm going to click on Add, and once again, copied text, and I'm going to paste this whole huge report in here. You can see that the sources are available in full here, and for each source, you already get a really cool overview, and then it will draw information from all of these sources if we ask any questions. The really cool thing is that it's going to already suggest a couple of questions that you can ask based on these sources. And now let's just take a look at some of the main features that are available here. The most famous one is, of course, the audio overview. You can just click on it to generate a podcast. And now we have the podcast ready, which you can download, share. So it's great for creating podcasts. You can even have interactive mode. So while it's playing, you can join the conversation, which is pretty wild. And as you can see here, we have a 17-minute podcast based on our sources. The next cool feature is that you can create a video overview. All right, so our video overview is ready. We can just click on it and you'll see that we have almost a 7-minute video about our topic with audio, of course. So if you prefer to learn in this way, you can do it as well. You can also download this video. Then you can generate a mind map, a report, ask for flashcards, or even generate a quiz based on all of these sources that you have provided. So this is excellent for learning. For example, if you want to boost your skills in digital marketing, you could just paste various skills and concepts in the digital marketing, like the newest ones, like the go-to-market strategy, strategic outcome ownership, performance advertising, and so on and so forth. And let's say that you want to master some of the top acronyms in digital marketing. You could also just paste that to include it in your sources. And finally, different kinds of concepts that you should master as a digital marketer. And then you can just add more and more of these sources, generate an audio overview, and you are already well on your way to master different subjects in the area of digital marketing. So now, as promised, we will explore the 10 top use cases for NotebookLM in digital marketing. The first one is the instant competitor teardown. You can quickly extract a competitor's messaging and strategy. You would just paste 3 to 5 competitor blog posts or service pages that you have gathered, let's say, with Ahrefs or SEMrush, and then you ask it to analyze the provided sources and generate a summary table. And then you can immediately identify the main value proposition, target audience, tone of voice, and key calls to action. The next one is the voice of customer goldmine, which you can use to turn raw customer feedback into high converting marketing copy. You would just need a text file or Google Doc with 20 to 30 customer reviews. You can use reviews from Amazon as well as YouTube to create this database, and then you will just ask it to analyze these customer reviews and perform 2 tasks. Identify the list of the top 5 pain points customers mentioned before using our products, and then extract 10 direct customer quotes that highlight a key benefit or positive outcome. The next one is the market trend synthesizer, which will help you to distill dense research reports into actionable insights. You would just need 2 or 3 or more, of course, PDF industry reports. And based on that, you will ask it to identify the top 3 emerging marketing trends for B2B companies in the upcoming year. For each trend, provide a brief summary and 1 actionable recommendation for a marketing team. I think this is a really excellent use case. You can also use it with something like Feedly or some kind of news aggregators and just drop everything inside. You can then generate the audio overview from that and ask different questions to really stay on top of your game in digital marketing. The next one is the ultimate content repurposing machine. So then you would turn 1 long-form video into a full week of content. So this is great for just repurposing. And the sources would be the transcript from one of your YouTube videos or webinars. And then you would just paste that transcript and tell it to act as a content marketing manager, generate the following assets from the provided transcript. A 500-word summary blog, for example, for LinkedIn. Then you would have a LinkedIn post with 5 engaging questions, 3 short punchy tweets, each with a relevant hashtag. So this is really awesome for just content repurposing. Then the next one would be the SEO content brief builder, which would help you to generate a data-driven outline for an article designed to rank. And then you would just paste the full text from top 3, 5, or 10 top ranking articles for your target keywords and tell it to act as an SEO content strategist, create a comprehensive content brief for a new blog post designed to outrank the provided sources. So that's a pretty neat strategy you could use as well. Then the next one is the email campaign analyst. You can use it to use past emails to inform future email strategy. So you just paste the text from your last 5 to 10 email newsletters and ask it to analyze the provided email newsletters, identify patterns in the topics, subject line, styles, and calls to action. Based on this analysis, suggest 3 distinct topics for our next email campaign that are likely to perform well. Then number 7 would be the authority lead magnet creator, which would help you to combine your existing blog posts into a valuable, let's say, PDF guide. So you just give it 3 or 4 of your own blog posts, and then you could ask it to create the ultimate guide to something. So this kind of authority creation efficient prompt over here. And then number 8, the video script idea generator. The goal would be simplify a complex topic into an engaging video script. So then a technical document or a complex blog post, and you would ask it to transform into a 3-minute video script for YouTube. So if you just want to ship some kind of video rapidly, that would be great. Then we have the A/B test ad copy generator. The goal would be to brainstorm new ad copy angles based on a winning ad. So you'd just paste a text file with your single best performing ad copy and then ask it to analyze its structure, tone, and psychological appeal and generate 5 new variations for A/B testing. And finally, number 10, the social media founder story extractor. The goal would be to create authentic social media content from an internal interview. You'll just paste a transcript of a podcast or interview with your company's founder, and then you can get the 5 powerful standalone quotes, 3 short compelling anecdotes or stories, or the single most important business philosophy mentioned. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick video where I shared some of the top use cases for NotebookLM in digital marketing. If you liked this video, please just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and next up you may want to watch this video where I break down one of the top AI presentation tools available right now. I'm going to see you in the next one.